So today we got a bunch of new parts that I paint matched and got ready to get onto my truck. Here we got mirrors, we got headlights, adapters, more light. We're gonna go ahead and get these installed today. I got a couple packages going on now, and let's get to it.
Bang.
Well, okay, so the headlight adapters didn't work. I'm gonna have to order different ones of those. We're gonna get a fender some other day, but the truck's going into the shop to get 150 over injectors put in, stroke out the CP3, and then we're getting a fast. So never mind this thing. Now we're working on the piece of shit, and we're taking parts off of an even piecer shit. Alright. Oh, there we go. Look at that. So I went and pulled these off the other car. We're gonna install those quickly. I can't believe this is working. So I cut 2 notches right there with the grinder on each side so I can get this sitting onto the muffler a little bit. I'm gonna throw this clamp on and hopefully the tailpipe stops rattling against the floor and you don't hear it in the cab. Well, there's no doubt about it. I'll definitely be under there again welding it, but hopefully for now it'll hold so it doesn't rattle. for the sake of the video, for the sake of my sanity, I'm gonna throw the paint match headlights on for now. I won't have turn signals, but in the front, but it's fine. I'm still gonna order the other turn signals, and it'll be okay. But for now, I want them on the truck. Okay, I got the headlights on, and I am obsessed with the look right now. Let me get a cold start for you guys, because I gotta move the truck up, that way I can jack up from the rear diff. You guys don't need to see the full process of putting the back wheels on. You guys get the gist. So we're just gonna skip ahead in 3, 2, 1. Bang. 24 by 14 Liberty forged. 3-inch spacers on them. Paint match the mirrors. Paint match the headlights. Painted the lower valance. It's not a complete match, but we'll redo that probably when we either find a different grill to paint, keep the inserts, or we either wrap that one. I don't know, but I haven't had a look like that in 4 months, so I'm very happy.
Going down like a sunset, burning out like a cigarette, blowing through the cash, through the past, drinking down that memory till there's nothing left.